Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing a clean, well-lit workspace and an ESD mat. Wear an ESD wrist strap and fully power off and disconnect the DualSense Edge battery before beginning. Gather a T8 Torx driver, Phillips #00 screwdriver, a 2530W temperature-controlled soldering iron, solder wick, rosin flux, small tweezers, and a 2mm spudger. Label each screw as you remove it and photograph each step. Use a magnetic tray or divided container for 5mm and 3mm screws to avoid confusion. Remove the 8 rear screws with the T8 Torx and separate the rear shell using the 2mm spudger to gently pry the clips. The shell comes off without force. Immediately unplug the battery connector and set the rear shell aside. Remove the inner shielding and note the ribbon cable and screw locations. Photograph the stick module orientation. Identify the 3 grounding points and any solder joints holding the stick module or daughter board. Work slowly to avoid tearing the ribbon or lifting PCB pads while exposing the stick encoder and potentiometer leads. To remove the stick module, heat each solder joint with the 2530W soldering iron and apply rosin flux, then lift solder with solder wick until pins move freely. Do not overheat for more than 3 to 5 seconds per joint. Remove the old module, align the replacement in the same orientation, and tack 1 pin to hold it. Solder remaining pins with minimal solder and clean flux residue. Reconnect the ribbon and battery. Power on the console and calibrate the stick-in settings to confirm correct operation before reassembling shells and evenly torquing screws.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.